Good afternoon, everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about the topic e-learning in India. Let us start the session. We all know that a majority of Indian population live in the rural areas where low bandwidth and network issues were quite common. So in the earlier days, it was really difficult to spread e-learning across the country. You know, digital divide was a major hurdle which pulled back the growth of virtual learning in India. But now, the scenario has totally changed. High speed internet connectivity and powerful communication networks are made available even in the rural parts of the country. You know, Government of India has invested a huge amount of money for this purpose itself. And as a result, there is a tremendous growth in the number of digitally literate people all over the country, irrespective of caste, creed, and gender. You know, in India, Kerala is the state with the highest number of digitally literate people. At the global level, India is making difference with the presence of world-class IT infrastructure and IT professionals. IITs, NITs, and other prestigious institutions are producing world-class techies who are making India really proud in the international arena. You know, future of e-learning in India seems to be really bright. Artificial intelligence, augmented reality, big data analytics, etc. have found their own place and application in Indian educational sector. Foreign players are also allowed to participate in various e-learning programs in order to take the Indian educational sector to the next level. And all these efforts will speed up the pace of national development. So India has a great future in e-learning, and we hope that some more technologies will be coming in the field of education. So today we had a discussion on e-learning in India, and I hope that all of you got an understanding about this topic. Thank you for watching. Thank you.